Nyabingi chanting, Nadi Bongo, or Bongo chants, typically includes recitation of the Psalms, but may also include variations of well-known Christian hymns, and adopted by Rastafarians. The rhythms of these chants were eventually an influence of popular ska, rocksteady and reggae music. Bob Marley, as he was commonly known, helped spread awareness of the religion among outsiders, through his appearances and his lyrics. Many people believe that Bob Marley was the main factor in the spread of Rastafari to the USA, Canada, most of Europe, and Africa. His lyrics were influential in the spread of political and social ideas of the Rastafarian movement. He spoke out against the inequality experienced by the black community. The traditional music of the Rastafarian religion is Nyabingi. Nyabingi music is used during reasoning sessions, and consists of chanting and drumming to reach states of heightened spirituality. The chants contain ideas of black redemption. They help people to participate and feel included in the Rastafarian community. The music consists of a blend of 19th century gospel music and African drumming. The Nyabingi rhythms of Rastafari, adopted from Boer drumming, became the characteristic sound, and the Rastafarian philosophy pervaded the lyrics. The influence of Rastafari on the development of Jamaican popular music reggae has been the most salient factor in moving Rastas from the margins toward the center of Jamaican cultural life. Rastafari came from humble beginnings, yet it was able to become a huge creative force, influencing cultural production in Jamaica and beyond. The influence Rastafari has had on contemporary Caribbean culture can be seen in Rastafari's role in the development and dissemination of Jamaican popular music, and its impact on the growth of visual arts after the 1960s. Rastafari also has an influence in the literary arts of contemporary Caribbean fiction and poetry, performing arts, and also the arts and crafts sold to tourists as emblems of Caribbean culture. Rastas take their speech very seriously. Rastas are often trying to make their speech sound very powerful and grateful. The Rastas' speech reflects how they often think literally. Their speech uses a literal translation of words, just like their beliefs use a literal translation of biblical readings. Their speech reflects their protest against oppression, as well as their protest against authority. When the Rasta's speech is analyzed, it shows how the Rastas are always trying to think positively, and this reflects in the way their spiritual bongo chants are developed. Rasta is all about peace, love, and togetherness, moreover observing liberty and doing the right always. Rasta man, live up, best make the point. Rasta man, live up. Bongo man, don't give up. Congo man, live up, yeah. Bingy man, don't give up. Keep your culture, don't be afraid of the vulture. Grow your dreadlocks, don't be afraid of the wolf pack.